Everybody, thank you for watching my videos. In this video I am going to explain you some of the basic terms, and it a lot of confusions that I can see in the comment on my social platform. The people are asking. In this video I am going to explain you. I am going to clarify all your doubts. What is AI? What is machine learning? And what is a deep learning? What is data science separately, and what are the data, how data science is different than data warehousing and business intelligence. So please watch this video till end to clarify your doubts. And if you like this video and if you understand the video is valuable for you, please do subscribe my channel, and please share to your friends so that they can also get benefit from this video. Now let's come to the point. In the previous video, you have not seen the previous video. I would request you to please go and see the video. I am preparing a video, very short video, 5 to 6 minute video, so that it will not take much time to gain the knowledge, right? So you can go and watch the data science video and the machine learning video. Now let's coming to the point. Data science, as you have already seen in the previous video, data science is nothing but we are trying to discover the science behind the data. Machine learning, you again kind of learning, right? How we human learn, and in the machine learning we are going to develop the algorithm to solve the different kind of problem that you know, right? AI is a part of machine learning, right? So in the broader term, this is AI, right? And inside AI there is a ML, and there is a deep learning, right? And the data science, right? Data science. So AI includes everything. If I say ML, DL, data science, everything inside the AI, right? So once you if I say AI, what does it mean? It means you have to know the machine learning, you have to know deep learning, and you have to know the data science, correct? So the AI includes everything. Artificial intelligence, what does it mean? What is intelligence? Human, if I talk about human, so what is human? How we human have the intelligence to take the decision, right? We walk on the road and we saw some vehicles are coming, and then through our eye we see the danger, and then we return back from out of the road. Similar way, we touch something to feel and then to take the decision, correct? So these are our sensory organs. Through our sensory organs like eyes, nose, uh, you know, uh, teeth, tongue, correct? By using our sensory organs, we take the decision. How machine will take the decision, right? There are the infrared cameras, right? Sensors. These are giving data, and based on the data, our machine learning AI is actually a machine learning, our machine learning algorithm take the decision based on the data, correct? So that's why we call it artificial intelligence, because we are building it artificially, correct? We are developing the artificial intelligence inside the machine. That's why we have the sensors, we have cameras, and the same way how a human take the decision, we actually encouraging machine to do the same thing for us, correct? So that is AI. Now data science you have understood. machine learning you have understood, AI you have understood. Now what is deep learning? Deep learning is actually inspired by a human brain that I explained. Like we saw something through our eyes, through our sensory organs, and hand, legs, right, eyes. These are our, there are 5 sensory organs that we human have. Based on that sensory organs, we human take some decision. And in for AI application, there are the sensory organs, right, like sensors, infrared cameras, and there are some hardware, right, artificial hands and legs. Based on that, if we talk about robots, right, robots take the decision based on that, based on the artificial hands and legs, correct? So what we are doing, similar to a human, what does how the human work, the similar functionality we are building the artificially through a machine, correct? That's why we call it artificial intelligence. So we are building the intelligence inside a machine to do the similar work, correct? Now coming back to data warehouse. Data warehouse, you know, right? Keeping the data somewhere, right? We historical data, to keeping the historical data, it's called keeping somewhere on the drive. It's called data warehouse, right? Data warehouse. We are just keeping the data. If you look at earlier, before the data science was in earlier, when the data science was not in picture, we were just keeping the data, not taking the benefit from the data, historical data. Now, if you look at in data science, what exactly we are doing? We are evaluating the data and finding out the data science. If you look at my data science video, you will understand the term science, right? We are actually finding out the hidden pattern from the data. That's why we call it science. Now we are finding the hidden pattern from the data and getting the benefit from the data to improve the business. In BI, so data science, the difference between data science and BI, if you look at, data science earlier predict before happening the things. Let's say like weather prediction, no? So we are predicting before the actual thing happen. In the percentage, like 80%, 90%, based on the data, we are predicting the future. But if you look at in BI, business intelligence, the problem happened. Let's say there is a loss in the production. The problem happened. The BI people start investigating the data and then finding the root cause for that problem. So this is the big difference between data science and BI. In BI, we do the things after happening. So loss, after losing something, the BI engineers actually investigate the data to find out the problem. But in the data science, we are predicting the future. So this is the big difference between BI and data science. Right. So if you like this video, I have explained this basic concept: AI, machine learning, deep learning, and data science, DW, right, and BI. If you like this video, I would request you to please share within your friends so that the video can reach to the majority of the people.